Have you ever built individual assets in Blender but struggled to turn them into a complete environment? In this course, we solve that by creating a stylized Arabian Market from the first blockout to the final render. Hi everyone, I'm Rosefield, the artist behind the stylized Japanese street environment. This time we are building a full sunlit marketplace where architecture, props, materials, lighting and composition all work together. Just like a professional environment workflow, we start with references, scale, camera framing, project setup, and a clean blockout, so the scene has direction before the detailed modeling begins. From there we turn simple shapes into layered Arabian architecture. You will build arched doorways, patterned windows, balconies, wooden shelters, carved trims, brick pillars, domes, a tower. Every section is broken into manageable steps, so a large scene never feels overwhelming. You'll learn how to control proportions, fix topology issues, reuse details, and keep the environment organized as it grows. Once the forms are in place, we move into UVs and materials. You will work with textile density, linked materials, normal maps, procedural stone and plaster, wood variation, vertex paint, and stylized edgeware, so every surface feels cohesive. Then we bring the market to life with the details that tell a story. Tables, stools, bottles, plates, a wheelbarrow, and hanging laundry. Finally, we shape the mood with cycles lighting, sky texture controls, shadows, displacement, composition checks, and final render polish, turning the project into a warm, atmospheric Arabian market ready for your portfolio. This course is for beginners who want a guided route into environment art, and for self-taught artists who want a cleaner, more professional process for building complete stylized scenes in Blender. By the end, you'll have more than a finished market. You'll have a repeatable workflow for planning, modeling, texturing, lighting, and presenting environments with confidence. So if you're ready to move beyond isolated assets and start building worlds that feel structured, detailed, and alive, let's get started.